Okay, we're going to talk a little bit today about adjusting the orientation of the pump head to fit your system. The first thing you want to do is, it's out of the box, it's horizontal at 9 and 3 o'clock. To adjust it, you want to actually remove the head, not the bracket. So to remove the head, it's real simple. Take the 4 screws off. Reorientate your head. Say you want to put it in the vertical position like this. Most of the time at these, the pump will not sit on its base properly with the head, obviously, so it's hanging over. When adjusting the direction of the head on any Chugger pump, be sure not to adjust the head by turning this bracket with these 4 screws here. It can be done. It's very tight to get the screwdriver in there. But when you do it, if you do adjust it moving this bracket, you're actually going to misalign the magnet to the pump head, causing the magnet to actually hit the pump head. You'll notice this if you do this, the fan will kind of jam up. If that is done, you need to go to the next step, which would be realigning the magnet to the bracket after taking the head off. Now, if you need to realign your magnet, you would simply remove the head, and then you'll see in this area here where there's a gap between the magnet and the actual bracket. This gap needs to be even between here in order to make the magnet not hit the rear casing right here. So to do this, you would most likely use a manual screwdriver and loosen these screws here. After loosening these screws, you'll have the ability to move the bracket to adjust it a little bit to actually line it up to be even around the entire bracket to magnet. Once that's done, you want to tighten these screws back up. And after the screws are tightened back up, you would want to check this by putting your head back on to the magnet and maybe bumping power to the pump to see if it actually is hitting the back. As far as mounting these pumps go, there's one steadfast rule, and that is not to mount the pump in the position where the motor is facing up. It can be mounted any other way, including up like this, to the side, upside down, but this is a way that's going to cause air to get trapped in the rear casing here, and you're more than likely going to have problems. Thanks.